Hello, today we're going to take a look at a pretty standard graphic Zippo. The one that we will be checking out today is the 4-leaf clover. And let's open this up. On top of the case, we get the usual Zippo instructions. Nothing else there. Underneath the lighter, we get the same old congratulations card from Zippo. And the base is the same as always. Taking a look at the Zippo, this one is in an olive green color. We have a gold stamp of 4-leaf clover on the bottom right. Simple and neat. The case is matte finish and it looks pretty good so far. The bottom stamp is in this gold color. K is the 11th letter in alphabet, so this one was made in November 2022. And let's peel off the stickers and have a look inside. The spark wheel has some scratches and it just doesn't look very clean. The insert is manufactured in the same year and month as the case. It looks fine overall. I think this one is considerably clean comparing to some other ones. Taking a look at the inner side of the case, it's very clean and I'm very happy to see this. Anyways, that's all I have for this one. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.